Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can unlock Cash App loans. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and search for Cash App Help Center. Scroll down a little bit and open the Cash App official website. Now, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for Unlock Borrow Loan. Now, open the Borrow Loan Agreement tab and make sure you read the terms and conditions before you take out loan. After you have gone through it, scroll down towards the bottom and you can see that there are some definitions present. Make sure to read these definitions thoroughly, like annual percentage rate, bank, borrowed amount, business day, and things like that. But if you don't understand anything, you always go to the support page and ask for answers. And that's how you can unlock Cash App loans. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.